tell you something which should say someone else to you.
S dovolením jednoho z výsadkových veteránů, který za sebou má taky značný počet zeskoků, řeknu slogan, který užívají staří pánové, kteří ve vzduchu jako vojáci bývali také jako pevné výsadkové zdraví a modré nebe.
So, good parachutist health and blue skies up your heads.
Tak přátelé, a nyní mám velmi milou povinnost, ale nejenom povinnost, i radost, pozvat k mikrofonu zástupce Mezinárodní letecké federace FAI, prezidenta Mezinárodní parašutistické federace, pana Graham Windsora.
Now it's my really big pleasure to welcome Mr. Graham Windsor here as the IPC president.
Just a few short words, but especially welcome to my colleagues from Australia.
Takže pouze pár slov, zvláštní přivítání mým kolegům z Austrálie.
A special mention to all the officials from the FAI, the International Parachute Commission's team of judges, the jury, the controller, the media person. All thank you for giving up your time to come here and make a world-class, first-class event.
Takže pan prezident by rád poděkoval také všem oficiálním zástupcům parašutistické komise mezinárodní, taktéž porotě, rozhodčím.
Audience, more slack here, to Team Fusion. I'd like to introduce yourselves as we go around.
My name's Yana,
Marie-Ève,
Jenny, and Valerie.
And Fusion actually is a pretty special team. Not only am I coaching them, which means they're very special to me, but also Valerie is actually only 17 years old. And Valerie, how many jumps do you have?
I have 145.
150? No, 40.
Yeah, 50! 50 now!
150, so she'll be buying she won't be buying much, but Cokes. Anyway, they have been training a few weeks and progressed where they want to be for the World Beat, and I think, do you guys feel like you're prepared, ready for tomorrow?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, we are.
Excellent. That's it. Kurt, any other questions?
It's tough to deal with those yes and no questions, isn't it, Thomas? It's a tough deal. But we can ask Valerie at least for a moment. Tell us a little bit more about your family. Where are they? I'm sure they're watching everything now, right? And who is your family?
Well, I'm my father is Richard Bisson from the team Catastrophe, and I did Catastrophe with my brother Yannick also. And yeah, I think they're probably watching us right now.
She is a brother. We have, the NSR News has covered that quite often. But now your team has renamed themselves to Cataclysm, I heard. How come?
Yeah, well, my father told me it wasn't the same team because I wasn't in Catastrophe anymore. So they decided to rename the team to make it different.
Merci. Marie-Eve, how is she doing?
She's really good. She's really, really good. She did a good job. She's like a sponge.
I'm a sponge.
What does it mean?
Being a sponge, she absorbs everything that we give her, every information, everything. She absorbs all of this and puts it into action, and she's a rock star. She is.
Well, we cannot wait to. Oops, we cannot wait to. We can't wait to see you all together. And thank you very much, merci beaucoup, for giving us a few minutes here. Thank you, Thomas. You did a fantastic job. So, by the way, where's the fun flag?
The fun flag actually was hanging on that building over there. And during the opening ceremonies, something happened to it. I don't know where it went, but I guess we'll have to wait and see.
We'll find out, I hope. Thank you.
Is there any questions before we go to the draw?
Doris, would you please tell us how you have briefed your judges to evaluate an NV situation in the event of weather?
NV situation is, the principle is, if you jump, you get judged. And if there's a meteorological problem, if there's rain or cloud, or we cannot see any way to jump, then you're getting a rejump. So if you have a green light, jump. And if it's not working, we cannot see the skydive because of clouds or weather or rain, then you're getting automatically a rejump notified by me.